Look from so? You've got some leftover rice and eggs in your fridge? Then please, I'm begging you, stop ordering takeout and make this at home instead. With just 5 simple ingredients, you can whip up the most satisfying fried rice in under 10 minutes. Trust me, once you try this, you will never want to order fried rice again. Today, we're gonna be making super simple egg fried rice with just 5 ingredients. I'd love to say it only takes 5 minutes, but let's be generous and give ourselves 10 minutes to make it happen. Once you've mastered this egg fried rice, trust me, you'll save yourself a ton of takeout bills for the rest of your life. I guarantee it. For this, you will need some eggs, cooked rice, green onions, soy sauce, and oil. And for fried rice, I recommend using a neutral tasting oil like canola, peanut, or avocado oil. And I'm gonna use avocado oil today. Alright, let's talk about the rice first. I've already prepared some cooked rice, which is about 4 cups. What? No leftover rice at home? Don't worry about it. You can just cook the rice and use it. No problem at all. But I want you to remember this one thing. When cooking rice for fried rice, use a little less water than usual. Because that way, your fried rice won't get mushy and every single grain will be coated more beautifully. Plus, for fried rice, long grain rice works better than short grain rice because it's less sticky. So my pick for today's recipe is jasmine rice. Next, take 3 green onions and thinly slice them. Since we're trying to keep things simple, we're not gonna use other vegetables besides these green onions. And no need to separate the whites and greens either. That's right, fewer dishes to wash. Again, there's no reason not to try at home, right? Now, let's move on to the star ingredient, eggs. Crack 5 eggs into a small container, add a pinch of salt, and beat them up really well. Honestly, how many eggs you use doesn't really matter. So if you're looking for a higher protein fried rice, go ahead and use more. That'll be fantastic too. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. In a large wok or pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, pour in the beaten eggs and cook for about 30 seconds. Just like making an omelette, bring in the eggs from the sides and fill in the gap like this. When the bottom turns lightly browned, flip and cook the other side for about 30 seconds. So simple, right? Now push the eggs to one side, add 2 tablespoons of oil into the empty space, and then add 4 cups of cooked rice. Now move the eggs to the top of the rice, break them into smaller pieces, and then stir fry everything together for about 2 minutes. By the way, if you want your fried rice to be more aromatic, you could saute some chopped green onions and garlic in the oil before adding the rice. But this is a super simple version. I'll just go like this. Once the rice and eggs are beautifully mixed and stir-fried, add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce around the size of the wok and let it steep for 20 seconds. What? Are you worried it might burn? Don't worry about it. It's just gonna add a nice smoky umami flavor that you're looking for. So just follow my lead. You won't regret it. Now let's stir fry for about 2 more minutes. Here, if you wanna get that restaurant taste, bring out that bad boy over here. MSG. And just add a pinch, but this is totally optional. Alright, let's grab a spoon and give it a quick taste. And then add more salt to suit your taste. Once it tastes perfect to you, add the green onions, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, which is totally optional, and give it a final mix. Alright, looks like it's done. Let's transfer it to a serving plate. How does it look? Every single grain is nicely coated and it looks beautiful, right? Alright, let's call our taste tester. But before we meet our taste tester, I want to take a moment to thank our paid partner, BetterHelp. Running this channel is super rewarding, but let me tell you one thing, it's not easy at all. You know, English is not my first language, so creating recipes, writing video scripts, uploading detailed blog posts, and even writing a cookbook, they can be pretty overwhelming. Yes, I needed to manage my stress, and that's why I love talking about BetterHelp. You know, whether you're struggling with stress, feeling overwhelmed, or just need someone to talk to, therapy can be very helpful. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy convenient for you, which is something I really appreciate. Because finding the right therapist can be a challenge, especially when you're juggling a bunch of stuff. But with BetterHelp, you just fill out a few questions online and you will get matched with a professional therapist who has years of experience in helping people with struggles just like yours. You'll be matched to a therapist usually within 48 hours, so you can get started fast. And here's the best part. If the first match is not quite right for you, you can easily switch therapists without any extra cost. Plus, you can do everything from the comfort of your home, so you don't have to worry about fitting therapy into your busy schedule. Also, you can have therapy sessions by phone call, video chat, or even messaging, so it's easy and less intimidating. If this sounds like something you can benefit from, use the link in my description below or visit betterhelp.com/Aaron and Claire and enjoy a special discount on your first month. Thanks, BetterHelp. Claire.
결국 돌고 돌아 가장 기본적인 에그 프라이드 라이스로 돌아왔구만. It smells awesome. Let's give it a try. 그래도 한번 밥알이 어떻게 잘 코팅되어 있는지 봐야겠다. 샥 퍼볼까요? 김 모락모락 나는 게 너무 맛있어 보인다. Cheers! 맛있다. 기본에 충실하면서 맛있는 맛. 에그 프라이드 라이스라는 이름에 걸맞게 계란을 많이 넣어줘서 그런지 계란의 그 퐁신퐁신한 식감이 딱 씹자마자 느껴지고 밥알도 뭉치지 않고 하나하나 코팅 잘 되어 있어가지고 맛있다. 그리고 그 식당에서 먹는 것처럼 그 불맛 같은 게 간장 그 누른 데에서 야하게 싹 난다? 맛있다 맛있다. 난 단백질로 약간 계란만 쓴 게 좀 부족하지 않을까라고 생각했는데 이 나름대로도 너무너무 맛있어. Cheers. 여기에 MSG 한꺼번에 딱 들어가면 완전 식단 맛으로 샥 변하는 건데 그래도 맛있다. 약간 간장으로만 간을 해서 그런지 약간 가벼우면서 너무 간이 세지 않아서 오히려 이것만 먹기보다는 다른 음식이랑 먹었을 때 그 궁합이 너무 좋을 것 같아. 뭐 마파두부라든지 쿵파오 치킨이라든지 뭐 있을까? 몽골리안 비프? 그런 거 있잖아. 그리고 만들기도 이렇게 간단하니까 걔네들을 오늘 만든다라고 생각을 하고 막판에 한 5분, 10분 딱 투자해서 이것까지 해서 하면 두 개의 음식을 정말 근사하게 집에서도 레스토랑처럼 딱 서빙할 수 있을 것 같아. 치킨 프라이드 라이스, 비프 프라이드 라이스, 김치 프라이드 라이스 다 좋지만 이 녀석이 다른 음식이랑 같이 먹기에 제일 좋을 것 같네요. 맛있다. 그런 의미에서 우리도 뭐 좀 가져오시죠. Mongolian beef brings the Mongolian beef.
Today, I showed you how to make egg fried rice. How was it? It's way easier than you think, right? The one I showed you today is like the most basic version of fried rice, which means you can totally adjust it to your taste depending on your fridge situation. So feel free to experiment with what you have on hand. Trust me, everything will turn out fantastic. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.